Hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a design using this gorgeous Mermaids and Unicorn plate, that is Dixie plates. I did buy it from Nail Stamping Queen UK. I will leave links and details in the description box below. So this was in their like discounted section because I think there's either something wrong with the blue film, it might be scratched, or there may be a defect on the plate itself. I haven't particularly seen anything at a quick glance that could be obviously wrong with it, but yeah, but I think I only got like just over £1 off it anyway. But I just thought, well, I'll risk it, and hopefully I can use most of the images, which it seems that that's going to be the case. So, you know, results. So I'll just give you a little bit of a closer look. So it's got so many gorgeous images, obviously a mixture of unicorns and mermaids. I love that slogan, today I'm a mermaid, tomorrow I'll be a unicorn. I think that's how most of us would probably feel, who are unicorn and mermaid lovers. And obviously this is a build-up of the mermaid tail as well, which I might find a defect in, maybe with that. Maybe it doesn't have all the bits in it to line it all up properly for layered, you know, for layered stamping. So I'm going ahead and applying the No White top coat because I'm going to be using this unicorn powder, which is from Glam, which is totally gorgeous. And I'm going to be applying it using my Natasha Lee. I think this is, actually it might be my glitter brush, I don't know. It's either a glitter or a pigment brush anyway. And you can see that it's applying it nicely, and you've just got that gorgeous sort of like blend of colours from pinks and purples to yellows and things like that. I do really love a unicorn base. So I'm just sort of burnishing all this in now, so it's all lying flat. It's super pretty. And then I'm going to be using this grip gel, which is for foil art, but I've actually used it alongside, you know, we're doing dry stamping as well. So I'm going to be using that today. So you would apply this like you would any other normal top coat, and you'll need to cure this in your lamp for 30 seconds with an LED and 2 minutes if it's a UV. So I've done that now, and now I'm going to be applying some glitter to this, to the other nail, sorry. So the only one that I've applied the mermaidy chromey powder to is the middle finger, and all the rest are going to have this Chameleon glitter on it. So these bottles now have changed. This was one of the older bottles, so they're a lot thinner and taller now. It's still 10 grams in the bottles, but they're just a different bottle size shape. And I do have a discount code as well if you want to purchase anything from Chameleon Glitters, which I will either put on screen or it'll be in the description box below. But how super gorgeous is that glitter? It's got so many gorgeous springy colours in, and perfect for a unicorn base. So you can see that it's applying really nicely when I've applied the dry pigment, you know, Shemodern glue gel. So this is really good, you know, if you've got like gel polishes that don't have a particularly good tacky layer, or they don't have a tacky layer at all, you can apply that Shemodern glue gel and it will simulate the tacky layer that a gel polish has. But yeah, that is so gorgeous. Love all the colours that are coming out with that one. And then because I'm going to be applying stamping over this dry stamping, I'm going to be putting the foil glue over the top of this, and obviously it acts like a top coat as well, so it's kind of like dual purpose. So that's going to be cured in the lamp. But yeah, but I just love all those different colours that are coming out. So now I'm just going to get the stamping images that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using these like rainbow cloud image, which has picked up really nicely. I'm going to be taking this gorgeous little unicorn here at the bottom, which you can see there. So I'll be advanced stamping with that in one moment. And then I'm going to be using this slogan, I don't care, I'm a unicorn. So I'm just going to place that straight onto the nail like so. Kind of got as much as I could on. I didn't get all of the image, but you kind of get the idea. So I'm going to be doing advanced stamping now with these Moyu polishes, so I'm just going to quickly show you the names because I can never remember once I'm finished with my mani. And I'm going to be using this Beauty Big Bang hollow polish as well. So I'm going to be applying this to the horn just to bring out the hollow. I don't know how well it will actually show up, but I'm using it anyway. So basically advanced stamping is fantastic for adding colours to stamping images. It just, you know, and obviously you can custom it to whatever colours that you want to use. So I'm just going to be showing you step by step the colours that I am using. So obviously I'm going to be trying to use as many colours possible for the unicorn hair. So basically you'd add all your colours, leave some time for this to dry. If you're using stamping polishes, they will dry fairly quickly. Then I have just gone ahead and applied some white over that just because it helps it pop. Even though it's over a white base, it does really make a difference in making the colours pop. And then I'm going to be using the same colours just to fill out these rainbows. Again, because they're quite thin, I don't know how much of the colour that you will see once it's flipped around, but I did want to add some colours. And then I'm going to obviously be coming in with the white stamping polish and filling in all the clouds, which again you would leave to dry, and maybe add some of the white behind the rainbow colours, which again are going to help the colours to pop. So with this, I just wanted to try this out because I wasn't sure whether this could be like overlapped, like you could overlap these two images together. So I kind of just got rid of the bits that I didn't want. And then I could see that actually it wouldn't sort of like, it wasn't really meant for overlapping, but I was still going to use some of the images. I just sort of just got the two images that I wanted to use and just added some horns on there. So I just got rid of the other stuff because I didn't want it going over the image. So that's what I did. I just added some unicorn horns in between. Don't have to do that obviously, but that's what I chose to do. So now I'm going to place this on the nail, and obviously this is dry stamping, so because I've applied that Shemodern Grip Gel, this is just going to go straight down. Even though it's completely dry, it does just transfer perfectly, as you can see. It's my preferred way to stamp now if I'm wanting to add colour to the nail. But how super cute is that image? It's so gorgeous. And then I'm just going to be using this rubber product just because it's a bit thicker than a normal gel top coat, because I want to add some of these iridescent hearts. I have done a iridescent hearts mani, which I can leave a link to if you've not seen the video, but these hearts I also got from Nail Stamping Queen as well. They'll probably be selling out like hotcakes at the moment because this design with the matte iridescent hearts is definitely something that's very popular at the moment on Instagram. So just finishing it off, I added the heart there for like a little cute pastel-y iridescent nose. So this is the end look. I'm really happy. I haven't done a unicorn mani in such a long time, so I was really glad to get this mani done nice and quick. So please let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. Is this a mani that you would wear? If you recreate it, then tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious. Would love to see your recreations. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.